Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Project Pulse 1. This product will be available in www.projectpulse.in. For abstracts and more information, visit www.projectpulse.in. Today we are going to learn about RFID door lock access using Arduino. Observe the circuit diagram. Plus 12 volts adapter, Arduino cable, relay, take RFID reader module, solenoid lock, take connecting wires, Arduino power jack, take RFID cards, take buzzer module. Take a Arduino Uno LCD module and power supply module placed on a board. Connect the plus 12 volts power supply to the power supply module. Connect the power supply to the Arduino Uno from power supply module by using Arduino power jack. Connect the Arduino cable to your PC. Connect the Arduino cable to Arduino Uno. Open the code and observe it. Select the port COM8. Compile and upload the code. Code dumping to Arduino Uno. Connect the plus 5 volts pin of LCD module to the plus 5 volts pin of power supply module and connect the ground pin of LCD module to the ground pin of power supply module. Connect the LCD module RS pin to second pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the LCD module EN pin to third pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the data pin D4 pin of LCD module to the fourth pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the data pin D5 pin of LCD module to the fifth pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the data pin D6 pin of LCD module to the sixth pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the data pin D7 pin of LCD module to the seventh pin of Arduino Uno. Take RFID reader module. Connect the RFID SS, SDA, RX pin to 10th pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the RFID SCK pin to 13th pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the RFID MOSI pin to 11th pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the RFID MISO pin to 12th pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the RFID RST pin to 9th pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the RFID VCC pin to plus 5 volts pin of power supply module. Connect the RFID ground pin to ground pin of power supply module. Take buzzer module. Connect the buzzer module VCC pin to plus 5 volts pin of power supply module. Connect the buzzer module ground pin to ground pin of power supply module. Connect the buzzer module data pin to A0 pin of Arduino Uno. Take relay. Connect the relay plus 5 volts pin to plus 5 volts pin of power supply module. Connect the relay ground pin to ground pin of power supply module. Connect the relay VIN pin to 8th pin of Arduino Uno. Take solenoid lock. Connect the solenoid lock negative pin to common pin of relay. Connect the second pin jack negative pin to normally open pin of relay. Turn on the power supply.